Meaning of interpolate.
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 Interpolate. Interpolate means to estimate a value or data point that falls between two known values based on mathematical or logical reasoning. In other words, it involves estimating an intermediate value or point based on the values on either side of it. This technique is often used in mathematics, statistics, computer science, and engineering, among other fields. For example, if you have data points for a graph but are missing a point between two of them, interpolation can be used to estimate what the missing value would be based on the surrounding data.